If you have never seen this coding question before, it will be impossible to find the most optimized solution. So you're given two strings S and T. The characters in T is generated by shuffling the characters inside S and then adding an extra character at a random position. Return the extra character. Let's say we're given these two strings, we have the following matching characters. The extra character is the letter F, so we can return F. Let's go over the thought process. Each of the characters inside the strings have a matching pair except for the extra character. What we can do is use the concept from XOR. We can see that if two values are the same, they will cancel each other out. And if two values are not the same, they will not cancel each other out. Now we can perform the XOR operation on the characters. This will cancel out all of the pairs, leaving us with the extra character. Let's implement the function, find the difference taking in the two strings, break the results, iterate through the indices of string S, perform XOR operation with the current character in S, iterate through the indices of T, perform XOR operation with the current character inside T, return results.